Now, I can't seem to figure out why they would throw this out. I don't know if this runs or not. I guess I should start with that. I mean, this mower looks really, really good. It's got clean oil in it. Let's see if they... Ooh. Maybe that's why they threw it out. Not because of all this rotted... That's gross. Alright, well, let's see if this even starts. I should probably check to see if there's fuel in it. It's not gonna start if there's no fuel in it. There is something in it. Does not mean that it's fuel. There was a primer bulb. I'll prime it. Hopefully it doesn't fall apart on me. Ooh. Yeah, it runs. It smokes a lot. I don't know why anyone would throw this out. So it burns oil. It obviously needs a new frame. Oops. It was like that. It was already like that. But I could use it for parts. But it burns oil. It's missing a bolt here. I don't really know what to do with this. This looks like it would lift up for like a bag, but it doesn't. Maybe I take the blade off so it's not scratching nothing. Unplug the spark plug. There's a stick in there. Is that for like the throttle? Huh. I wonder if that's why it was running weird. Throw that over there. This thing don't move in here, whatever this was stuck in. I mean, other than the front falling off, it seems pretty fine. I mean, you could still use this. No, I did not forget the spark plug. Okay, I might have forgot the spark plug. I do that all the time. I'm gonna just leave that there. That's nasty. Well, I can remove the duct tape. It runs just fine. It just needs an air filter, a new frame. The oil is fresh. Starts right up. I don't know why anyone would throw that out. I guess that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.